Hey, Emery, what if I want to trade a little Jackal, but I don't want anyone to know about it? I just, I want it to be a secret.
Wow, well, funny you should ask, because there is a way to do that, and it's called Shade Protocol. It looks like you're already there, actually.
I thought ahead, you know what I mean?
Why don't we go ahead and launch the Shade app on that launch app button?
All right, we are at the Shade app, which is built on the secret network. So a little bit earlier in one of our other tutorials, me and Emery did do a small swap and obtained some secret tokens, because you're going to need those to pay the gas fees. So if you don't have any, get a little bit of a secret and then pick up the tutorial at this appropriate spot. But Emery, guide me in my secret trading want.
Well, the first thing we want to do is approve that wallet transaction to connect to Secret Network, since Shade is just a dApp built on Secret Network.
All right, we are connected to the Secret Network.
So first, why don't we just go over to our portfolio and see what we have?
All right, I'm up over here on the left. I'm up in the portfolio. All right.
Looks like we have some secret, which is exactly what we need. So we got a couple secret, and that's enough to do some swapping. So why don't we just go ahead and hit that swap button?
Amazing. Wait, where's the swap button? How do I do this? I'm missing it.
That's over on the left-hand side, like the other two platforms.
I see it over here, of course. All right, I'm in.
Okay, great. So let's start off with secret, since that's the stuff we have.
I love it.
And what do you say we swap for some secret Jackal, huh?
Ooh, what is secret Jackal? Enlighten me on that.
Well, secret Jackal, and much like other secret tokens that are on the Shade app, are like privacy versions of those tokens, meaning that when you make a swap or you're looking at a balance for those tokens, only you can see them because of their programmable privacy that's kind of built into it. So that's what Shade specializes in, and that's where we're gonna start looking at some secret Jackal.
So, Emery, I feel like this DEX is a little bit more complicated than some of the other DEXs. And I see in this token list right now, I see Jackal. Is this the secret Jackal? Is this the one we're trying to find?
It is the secret Jackal, and you know it's secret Jackal because it has that little S icon up there, up in that left-hand corner of the Jackal icon. That's how you know it's secret.
Amazing. Well, how many secret should we trade to buy some secret Jackal?
Why don't we just start off with maybe about half your secret right now?
You're really making me do the hard math right now. 2.8, what is that? 14?
That was like maybe 1.4, something like that. Yeah.
That's why you're the economist. I'm just the...
that's why I have a calculator.
All right. Well, we can swap... Oh, look at this thing. I didn't even see this. Look at this.
How cool is that? A slide bar. You don't even have to do any math.
You don't even have to do math. Oh, here I am doing math by hand. There's a little slide bar right there. That's amazing. All right. So we got the transaction set up. I'm trading 1.4-ish secret for some secret Jackal. And I really like that it shows me the route here that we're kind of taking. And honestly, it's a little bit of a complicated path, but I think
it is a little bit.
Doing it for me,
Hey, Coney, before we actually swap, why don't we hit that view balance up there, right above that Jackal swap?
Oh, this guy right here, available, view balance.
Yeah. And because the programmable privacy of these tokens makes it so that it's not really public, we need to create our own viewing key for our secret Jackal, and that's exactly what this is doing. You see that little S Jackal symbol up there in that little Kepler pop-up box? That's telling us that we are swapping for S Jackal, so that way we know exactly what we're doing.
Ah, okay, the S Jackal, the secret Jackal.
Secret Jackal, exactly.
Amazing. So I'll go ahead and just confirm this transaction.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. And then I'll go ahead and confirm this Cosmwasm execute contract. All right.
There we go. So then it's going to tell us what our available balance is, and now is a great time to start that swap.
All right. I'll I'll go ahead and swap for some secret Jackal. All right, I'll confirm these swap transactions. We're thinking. We're right into blocks on the chain. We're hanging out. We're still thinking. Oh, boom. Swap successful. We're in.
So let's confirm our balance. We can go ahead and head over to portfolio again.
Love it. I already can see a little bit of my secret Jackal balance has added up right here in that balance thing that you showed me earlier. Let's go back over to the portfolio page and let's see. Boom. We got some Jackal.
Now, one thing to notice here is that you'll see on that secret line, it'll say viewing keys over in that column. The secret says public token because anyone can see your secret balance, but not everyone can see your Jackal balance. That's why it has a little check mark by the viewing keys. Do we want to maybe just confirm that we're the only ones that can see our Jackal on the secret chain?
Sure. Wait, so just to back up for me, for my own explanation, the secret token is like a gas fee that's on the secret network, but the secret Jackal is like truly a secret that no one else like knows about, except for us, obviously, and the viewers watching the tutorial. But
exactly, only we can see our Jackal balance, unless you have our viewing key, which we will not show anybody. We're going to keep that to ourselves.
Amazing. All right, so I can see that I have, let's see, 1.05 secret, and I can see that we have 1.94 secret Jackal. So here's the secret address right here. I can go ahead and see that. So maybe I'll click on this guy, which will copy the address to my clipboard. And then where should we go to view this?
Well, one of my favorite block explorers is Mint Scan, so why don't we head over there?
Scan. Big fan of the Mint Scan. All right, I'm up in the
Awesome.
Mint Scan. Maybe I'll just go to this little search bar. Let's see, search chains and addresses and validators and transaction hashes. I'm gonna go ahead and paste that secret address that I just copied from the other page, and let's head on over to it. So this is obviously a public-facing page. Mint Scan's always a public-facing thing. Anybody can see anything over here. And
Exactly.
it looks like I can confirm that there is 1.05 secret over here, which is super awesome. Should I do a little side-by-side on this? Should we do a little...
Yeah, I like that. I like that side by side.
Let's do a little side-by-side so we can see. All right. So over here on the left, we got Shade. We got the Shade protocol, which is showing us our secret token balance and also showing us that secret Jackal balance that no one really knows about except for me and you. And then over here on the right is MintScan, which is a public blockchain explorer. So anybody can come over here and look up any address and see what's under the hood. But the only information that is showing me is just that there's 1.05 secret at this address, which we can verify over here in the Shade portfolio page. But the secret Jackal, MintScan doesn't show any of that. That's truly a secret.
Well, Ian, did you actually know you can see your secret balance of Jackal in your Kepler wallet?
I didn't. I thought I could only see it over here on the Shade Protocol portfolio page.
Yeah, you can actually find your Jackal balance in Kepler. Why don't you open it up and I'll show you how to do that.
Amazing. Well, I'll go ahead and click on the old Kepler extension up here, and let's see. I see my regular Jackal. Maybe I'll just do a search. Let's do a little search for the Jackal token. All right. I got a few instances of it. Regular Jackal in the regular Jackal chain, Jackal in Osmosis, Jackal in Archway from our other swaps. Ooh, I think I found it right here. Jackal on the secret network.
Looks like you have 1.9 there.
I got 1.94 Jackal, and no one else knows about it. So
Exactly, and that's exactly what shows up on Shade Protocol. And as you said, no one else can see that. And well, there's your private Jackal. That's how you swap privately 2 and 4 Jackal.
Amazing. Thank you for enlightening me, Emery. I feel like this has been a real fun time. I've really enjoyed myself.